CPM Lineator Roller Adjustment System Setup and Calibration Procedure. It's important to note that only trained and qualified personnel should set up and calibrate the Lineator Roller Adjustment System on a CPM pellet mill. Always wear proper personal protective safety equipment when setting up and calibrating the Lineator Roller Adjustment System. This includes safety shoes, gloves, hard hat, safety glasses, and anything else required by your employer. The factory supervisor and anyone in the immediate area of the machine must be informed that a Lineator roll setup and calibration is about to take place. Then the plant Lockout-Tagout program must be implemented. Before you begin, lock out the pellet mill. Attempt to start the pellet mill to ensure the pellet mill will not start up during the procedure. Inspect all hand and air tools before using, and if any are damaged, do not use them. To begin, manually unscrew the spindle arm and extend fully. Take a measurement from the nose of the lineator to the flat portion of the spindle arm. Note that measurement and screw the spindle arm into half the measured distance. Set the right spindle arm to the same position as the left arm. Slide the roller adjusting gear over the roller adjusting wrench. Engage the wrench with the roller shaft. Rotate the shaft counterclockwise until the roller contacts the die. With the roller adjusting gear resting on the wrench and disengaged from the roller shaft splines, rotate it to align the adjusting gear pinhole with the spindle pinhole. With gentle forward pressure on the roller adjusting gear, engage the spline on the roller shaft that most closely aligns the adjusting gear pinhole with the spindle pinhole. With the roller adjusting gear partially engaged on the shaft, rotate the assembly clockwise until the roller adjusting gear clears the spindle. Slide the roller adjusting gear forward to fully engage it with the spline shaft. Rotate the shaft counterclockwise to check the alignment between the adjusting gear pinhole and the spindle pinhole. If any misalignment is detected, rotate the shaft clockwise enough to clear the spindle. Then rotate the spindle in or out as necessary to align the holes. Insert the pin and repeat the process for the other side. When this is complete, verify that both rolls are skip-touching evenly against the die by manually rotating the die by hand. Use extreme care to keep hands away from pinch points inside die cavity while rotating the die. It's a good idea to have someone else watching the rolls while you do this to ensure correct alignment. Using the control panel, enter calibration mode. Set the desired operating position according to your internal procedure. Then, depress the Set 0 button. This will be the operational roll setting or 0 point. It is also the tightest the rolls will go without entering the calibration mode. Next, using the control panel which is still in calibration mode, open the rolls to within approximately 1/2 inch of the previously measured fully extended position of the longest spindle arm. Press the Set Maximum button. This will be the fully open position of the rolls. Exit the calibration menu. The lineator is now set up, fully calibrated, and ready to get to work.